How to create a Dropbox account. So if you want to create a Dropbox account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Dropbox, and after searching click on the first search which says www.dropbox.com, and now it will take you to the web page or the website. So now to create an account you can go to sign up, which is on the upper right corner, or if you already have an account then you can go to login and then you can log in or sign into your account. But to create, click on sign up, and you can sign up with your Google account or you can also sign up with your Apple, but you can also sign up with your email. So I'll be entering email address, and after entering your email address click on continue. Now to log in you have to first enter your email address, and after entering that you have to enter your first and last name, and after entering your first and last name on the next blank you have to create a password. So make sure to create a strong password, and after entering all of your information you can simply click on agree and sign up. And that's it. That's how you create a Dropbox account, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.